in the bag air show. All the discs. We've got about a 5-6 mile per hour headwind. So we're going to throw out to the end down there and then back, and to the trees in the far distance has been lasered at around 370. So let's get to it. Start from most understable to most overstable. I've already done the putters, so we're not doing those. .300 A2, extremely beat up, but a very good disc. Basically into the wind, it's going to fly straight, flat, and then have a little bit of finish. Really, really beat up .300 A2. And max that one out at about 265, 270. This is another .300 A2. A little bit more beefy, a little bit newer. You can see much harder fade, shorter and more left. The only non-Prodigy disc in my bag, Discraft Ti Meteor. To the basket on the far right is about 265, so that's basically started straight, turned right, and just kept turning. A disc that basically flies the same, 750 M4 into the wind. It's essentially the same disc, the same shot. It doesn't turn as much, it's a little bit more stable. For my straight mid-range shots, Prodigy M3 first run. Got it out there a little bit low, but that thing glides pretty well.